Hey guys, we have started on the 1971 purple jet boat. It's going to get a big block in it, but we're doing some work inside it. But over here, I'm taking apart this jet drive so we can paint it. I'm not going to take it completely apart because that's been rebuilt, but I am going to disassemble this end. I've got the that piece off. I want to take need to take this off. That's to make it go left or right. I already took these pieces off. Just some brackets that go here. That hooks up to a lever that tilts it up and down. I had a jet drive before that didn't have that, and that's kind of nice. It's your trim. But take all this off, and we can paint those individually so that we can get paint in these areas, and it doesn't look like somebody just painted a big thing all bolted together. But we'll have to mask. Like we'll take this off and paint down in there and then put that back on. But we'll have to carefully mask like the bushings in this area where the thing goes in. But we'll have to smooth up this sandblasted finish a little bit. But that should come out. We haven't decided whether it's going to be white or gray yet. Probably white. But that should look good. Jet drives are fairly simple. But anyway, we got the deck off the boat and started working on the inside. I didn't like how this black was done. I mean, it's been sitting around and got stuff all over it. So we're gonna sand that a little bit and repaint it black. But back at the back, let me walk around it here. This is all still the original metal flake on here. You can see kind of a fade from one shade of it to another. It's kind of a sunburst kind of effect. There's the engine hatch. Anyway, it's got a new transom in it, so we got to cut that hole out. But these boxes weren't sealed up, so we went ahead and covered those. But the other thing we did, there was also, they had painted over globs of stuff that looked like hell, so we chiseled those off, and we're going to repaint it back here and then cover that up with paint and make it all look good again. And then it gets carpet, and the interior is still in the other building. It looks great. We'll get the carpet in it, the paint, the carpet, and then we'll get this hole cut and get the jet drive in. And it looks like they don't have nuts on that. We'll get nuts on there. But we'll get all that in and then get the motor in here and get it installed. Once it is in, oh yeah, we ordered new fuel tanks because the ones that were in there are probably 25 years old, and it has fuel residue in it, and they're not real expensive, so it's better to get new ones rather than risk any fuel contamination or problems. But anyway, this is where we're at with this. It's going to be a really nice boat. It's, like I said, it's got a certain amount of wear for the years, but it's going to be not a perfect boat, but it's going to be a nice boat. He has a really nice setup to go in that hole where the gauges go, and instead of a radio, we're going to find him a really nice glove box to put in there. But yeah, this is where we're at with this. There should be some good videos coming of as it goes together. Anyway, thank you for watching.